have more than 50 vendors here with us, exhibiting the newest innovation, technology, products in the construction industry. We believe that if people can see it and touch it and feel it and use it, the level of understanding increases, and as people understand more, it's easy to integrate that technology into their everyday lives.
We're going to be performing a demonstration, which is always good. We get to reach the masses that don't always get to come to World of Concrete and places like that to see our stuff.
Many of the machines you see here today that they're demoing, they have dozens of them around. To have that promotion here at an event such as Demo Days, and the best part about it is we really get the community here.
Huge shout out to all of our sponsors, vendors, employees, everyone that helped make Demo Day possible. We couldn't do it without you. We'll see you at Demo Day 2023.